How to replace the OSD control board assembly. Before you begin, remove the speaker mesh, display panel, side I/O board, and speakers. Removal. Disconnect the OSD control board ribbon cable from its ZIF connector on the OSD control board assembly. Remove the two P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the OSD control board assembly to the back cover. Remove the OSD control board assembly from the back cover. Unclip the OSD control board holder from the OSD control board assembly and set aside for later replacement. Grasp the OSD controller cap and pull to remove it from the OSD control board, setting it aside for later replacement. Replacement. Place the OSD controller cap over its pin on the OSD control board and push the OSD controller cap down to attach it to the OSD control board. Clip the OSD control board into the OSD control board holder. Place the OSD control board assembly into its cradle and over its screw wells on the back cover. Replace the two P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the OSD control board assembly to the back cover. Reconnect the OSD control board ribbon cable to its ZIF connector on the OSD control board assembly.